If your life is busy and your drawing habit keeps dying, let me share what helped me stay consistent while you watch me draw these cute teacups. Because honestly, my life has been chaos lately. Some of you might have noticed I moved my membership to a new platform. I did it because I wanted everything in one place: the learning journey and the community. Before, members watched tutorials on one site and chatted on Discord. Now it's all in one app. The community, the live streams, downloads, tutorials, everything together. But yeah, that took a lot of work. And while I was rebuilding all of that, I also got frustrated with my content. I'm a bit tired of posting drawing process videos, so I started trying something new. More talking to you videos like these, more real-life updates. And here's what surprised me most. Even during all that, I still made around 30 illustrations. Not big masterpieces, just small cute drawings like these cute teacups. And I'm really proud because years ago, when life got busy, I would just stop drawing completely. Not because I couldn't find 10-20 minutes in my life, but because at the start, I felt discouraged and then I wouldn't want to try again. So I now do it differently. I stopped chasing big masterpieces. If I draw one small cute thing today, that's enough. And if you start drawing, then life gets busy and you stop, you are not lazy. You just need an easier plan. That's what I help you inside the Slow Drawing membership. I guide you step by step, so drawing becomes your calm, cozy habit. And then you can actually make real progress. Comment to learn and I will DM you the link. You can learn more about it.